Welcome to MODALIZER Plus Features Overview video. MODALIZER Plus turns your PC into a medical imaging modality, adding DICOM connectivity, image capture capabilities, and reporting tools. MODALIZER Plus is also a DICOM converter, capable of DICOMizing images, videos, and PDF documents. It is very versatile yet easy to use software. On the main screen you will find 6 buttons, each accessing a different feature of the software. Note that each button has a different color. This color continues into the workflow started by this button and helps you distinguish between the different workflows. To view DICOM images, simply drag the files or the folder onto the application window. All of your features are available from the right-click menu and also have shortkeys. For example, to view the DICOM tags, click Ctrl-H. At any point, you can return to the main screen by clicking the back button on the bottom right corner. Click the New Patient button to start a new ad hoc procedure. MODALIZER Plus will guide you through the workflow step by step. MODALIZER Plus recognizes connected scanners and cameras to your computer automatically. You can drag and drop PDF, video, and images as part of the DICOM converting procedure. MODALIZER Plus can store the captured images in its local archive. It is also a mini-PAX with a DICOM listener and can store studies from other medical imaging devices that have DICOM storage capabilities. MODALIZER Plus can burn DICOM CDs with the DICOM CD viewer. To do this, click the Export button and follow the wizard steps. You can also access this feature from the local archive right-click menu. To use the worklist and the query retrieve features, you have to configure your PAX and worklist server first. The configuration is done from the Settings menu, which we will review in another video tutorial. To start a scheduled procedure, click the Worklist button. MODALIZER Plus will send a modality worklist query to the server and display the results. You can narrow the query using the advanced search. Select the procedure and click Next, or simply double-click on it. Review the procedure information and click Start Procedure. MODALIZER Plus will guide you through. The Query Retrieve button is used to search the PAX for existing studies. One of the coolest features of MODALIZER Plus is adding series to existing studies. Right-click on the study line and select Add Image or Report as a new series. Drag the image and it will be added to the study. Lastly, you can go to the user manual on the bottom left of the main screen, next to the settings, for an in-depth guide.